Hello everyone. We have launched our workflow automation. In this video, I will go through the process of configuring workflow automation for your inbox. Let's go to the workspace. Once you log into your workspace, now go to workflow. From this page, you will able to see all of your workflow which you have configured. You can enable, disable. Also, you can see all the executions. Also, you can see the reports, whether the workflow automation is executed or not. All the log will be in this page. Let us show you by create a new workflow automation. Click on new workflow, give it a name. For us now, we will give it a name to workflow automation for inbox, new email. Please. Now we need to select the event. You can run automation for when a new reply is received in an existing email. Also, you can set a automation for whenever you have received any new email, or you can set up configurations workflow for when you have deleted any conversations. Now we will set up configuration for new email received. Click on create workflow. Let me show you how you can add condition and actions. First, you have to add conditions. Click on add conditions. You can set condition for a specific sender. You can set it match, unmatched, content, not content. Let's say you want to add filter for a particular email. Let me add one example, that example.com, or you can add any other. Let me add this one. You can add multiple email address which you want to run automation based on those email sender. Let's say someone send email from this email address. In that case, this automation will trigger and all of your action will be triggered. So you can add multiple conditions. Let's say add another one which is to email address, match or unmatch. This means all the ever connected email address in your workspace, you will see list of there. If you want to run this workflow automation only specifically whenever any email sent to this email address, then it will trigger. Let me explain another things. As you can see, we have add multiple condition. One is to email address, another one is specific email sender. So to trigger this workflow automation, you must have to, the email must have to pass this one and this one, both conditions, and then it will trigger the actions. If you want to add or multiple conditions, let's say you want to ensure that it contain those email address, or you want to add another conditions where it will be based on the subject. Let's say it contained hello in the subject line. Now the workflow automation will trigger whenever this email address match, or if the subject contain the hello word. You can add as much as you want. Let me show you by showing another last condition which is time based. This is really helpful if you want to configure a automatic replay or anything for a particular day or a certain time. Let's say we want to add a 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. Whoever send an email during this day and time, based on that, system will trigger actions. Now, since I have shown you all the 4 available conditions, now it's time to set actions. This is the all available actions. The first one is reply email. Reply email means you will able to send the reply back whenever an email is received. You can set the email which you want to reply from. This is basically will show all the list of your connected email. You can write email reply content here. You can use placeholder. You can use placeholder which is actually coming from the email content. This is a basic content. You can use all the placeholder to make this dynamically replace. This placeholder means hello name. This will be replaced by the user who have username who have sent the email to you. So similarly, we can set another automation which is assign tag. Then you can select the tag which you want to assign with that particular email. This means whenever the email is arrived, it will add this tag automatically into your email so that you can identify them easily. And next, you can create a task based on your conditions. You have to select a pipeline. Currently, it does not have any pipeline, and then you have to follow other things. And similarly, you have to create. You can create a deal activity log. Same for process goes, and you can also convert it to a deal. And same process goes for you have to select pipeline and then stage. Then you can convert it to deal. And you can also convert it to a contact. That means it will automatically convert it to a contact and store here. And also you can enable it that whenever it converted to contact, and it will send an email to your contacts to join into the workspace. And the next one is a support ticket. You can now automatically convert an email into a support. Let's say you want to support it in the email subject, and you will set a support as it and then select the priority, and you can simply use the email content as a ticket description. So it's really helpful for you to convert an email into support automatically based on the subject line or any condition you have configured here. Let's explore the next one, which is delete conversation. This means if your condition is triggered, it will automatically delete the conversation. I mean, delete the email. The last one is workflow automation, which is a webhook call. And you can trigger an webhook call whenever this condition is matched. Select a webhook call method. You can add the webhook call email, and you can add the header if you need to. And if you click on show response object, it will share an example of request object which you will receive in your webhook end. So this is all for configuring a webhook for inbox. I hope you understand it. If you have any issue or any feedback, you can reach out to us in Discord or our Facebook group, or you can send us email from our website. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.